Okay. All right, everyone. We are loading up the YouTube stream. Let's see if we can get some people in here for the back test. We're supposed to start in about 15 minutes, so I'm just going to maybe do some markups until 12 and see if anyone joins in from the group. All right. Cool. So if you're not familiar with us yet, which you're probably not because we're pretty new, we're just a group of traders who trade the GXT model, and just wanted to create a free space for people to collaborate on the charts. That's really our only goal. There's no mentors or anything like that going on here. No one's selling any courses, just people working together. That's what this is all about. We do backtest sessions every Saturday and Sunday on at around 12 Eastern time, 12 noon. This is our third backtest session. The first two have been great. One of our members, Stupe, took over the charts and crushed it both times. Really impressive. So today I'm going to have at it myself. Just for now, maybe I'm just gonna do markups for this coming week. It is Sunday right now, so yeah, just gonna look at the charts and see where we're at until give people a chance to join in before I start the back test. But this will give you a chance to see how I personally mark up the charts. Again, I'm not a mentor or anything like that. I'm a student. This is just how I personally do things. I have a few of my own unique additions to the way I apply GXT in the fractal model. Nothing maybe you haven't heard before, but it's a bit unique compared to the way most people do it, I think. So we swept this sell side liquidity. You can see how I do my markups. And then we have our previous week low. When I do these streams, I have to use a trackpad on my laptop instead of my desktop machine with my mouse, which is what I normally trade and chart on. So I'm a bit clumsy using the trackpad and slow with this. Forgive me. I have to get some kind of mouse that works with my laptop. Okay, previous week, and let's get the previous week EQ. I like to use this indicator called Effects 4. for my previous day high, low, and EQ. Just really, really, really easy, clean. I don't know why it's showing me the previous week. It's not showing me that. Oh, okay, I know why. I know why. Okay, so we're gonna have to do it manually. Okay. Previous week EQ. Oh, someone came and left. All right. Maybe I'll actually do the back test on gold as well. I personally focus a lot on the London session because I start teaching for my other job during New York session, so my attention gets pretty broken up. So I really can focus during London. I do trade New York session, but it's not my focus isn't what I'd like it to be. So I really do try to do the most I can in London when possible. So that's why I like gold, because it's less reliant on the New York Open. All right, we'll drop to the daily here. Coming into Monday. This is an interesting point we're at on gold. Obviously, we swept this entire range. We have this, I think I'd call it, well, no, it's not really a relevant swing on the weekly. Certainly on the daily it is. So yeah, I've seen people talking about this being the possible reversal area for gold to begin the buy side of the curve. I can't really guess. Low key, I might say I think we're going lower, simply because looking at the other charts on the correlated assets, silver, gold, euro, they all have this big consolidation here, and I expect a large move out of these big consolidations. This lasted several months. Of course, it could just be a manipulate here to get that move higher, but which is very possible, of course. But I guess we know indices is pumping, has been pumping, and gold has been dropping. You know, they're usually inversely related, gold and indices. So if indices is going to continue to pump, then perhaps we're going to see maybe a long overdue retrace on gold. As you can see, we've been pumping for quite a long time here. All right. Previous week EQ. Okay, previous daily high. And also that's PD low. And we can get the previous day's EQ. This should work. No, it's still not working. It's because it still thinks we're in this week. So it's not going to work right now. But yeah, FX4, nice little indicator for pulling up those levels quickly. when I do get to the back test, I'm going to showcase some of the other indicators I use on a regular basis. None of them, I would say, are essential, 100% essential. They're just tools that sort of help here and there, but you can certainly trade without indicators, as you know Garrett does. I don't even think Garrett uses the fractal model indicator from what I've seen. Okay. What else do I want off this chart? I don't really have anything lower. We've got this, of course. Yeah, nothing really that I want to make note of here. We have this order block, if you will, but all right. I think that's all I need to do as far as high time frame markup for that chart. We're just looking for major highs and lows and gaps, so I don't see anything else locally on the daily and weekly anyways. All right, I think we can get into the back test. See if anyone's in the chat quickly. All right. I don't think so. Let me also clean up the charts on the correlated assets really quickly. All right. All right, let's pick a date. November 2021. What's going on, November 2021? All right, I'll start on the daily. I'm using TradingView to do the back test because I do want to use my indicators. However, it is far from ideal for back testing. It kind of shows you like where the next candle is going to print, like the outcome if you go up a time frame. So I feel uncomfortable jumping up to the higher time frames when I'm back testing because I can kind of see what the next candle is going to do. So I can't 100% trade how I normally would in that sense. It's a bit frustrating, but it'll get the job done, I suppose. So what do we have here? We're on Friday, so maybe we'll start on a Monday. Yeah, let's go to this next Monday. Okay, here we are. Okay, good. So we have our previous day high and low. And our previous day EQ, FX4 should work on this now for once. Yeah, there we go. Nice and easy. All right. What else here? I mean, it looks one thing I can't help but notice is that it looks like we're in a buy model right now. There's all these equal highs up here. Wow, they're all failure swings on gold. That's pretty crazy. So I will put that there, though I am sure we won't reach there in the back test, but I want to pull a standard deviation from here. I'd like to get a better, more zoomed in view, but I'll pull it from here just to see where this lands. Oh, very, very nice. Not bad. Looks like we've had consolidation here, and we've manipulated all these lows. Well, I can't say it's manipulation at this point, but did close back within this range here. So this may be a reversal. And it also looks like on this new day we're opening low. I like that for sure. Just looking at the daily here. You might also say we're in this big daily balance price range. Okay. Let's go down to 4 hour. Where's our open? Okay, right here. Okay, so we swept out that previous 4 hour candle from Friday. Just looking to the left here, see where we're at. Yeah, we did come into this inverted fair value gap, you could say. Here on the 4 hour. I should put on music. It's quiet. Let me see if I can put something on. Something quiet. Did someone join the chat? Hey guy, hey, what's up, FX Hunter? Am I sharing GXT screen? No, mate, it's me. It's not Garrett, it's me. If that's what you meant, I'm not sure if that's what you meant. Yeah, no, I'm doing a every Saturday and Sunday we do a group back test here. Oh, there's someone else here too. Who's that? Kronos, is that you? Hey Kronos, what's up, man? Thanks for being here, guys. Every Saturday and Sunday, we do a group back test. We had a great back test last night. I think it was 8 wins and 2 losses. So I just started doing the markup here on gold. I'm back testing October 2021 on gold right now. I'm not a mentor, guys. I'm a student just like you. So this is collaborative. Please pitch in your ideas. If you see something on the chart, feel free to jump on the mic and get involved. It's a group effort. These back tests are. So I was saying, we swept out on the daily. We swept out this consolidation. It looked like a consolidation on the daily. We swept out these all these failure swings, relevant swings. This may be a reversal from here. It does look like we're in a market maker buy model on the high time frame. That's one pull of standard deviation I did. Let me pull this one now that I can see it. Okay, so this is really nice. We got a perfect pullback from the 2 to 2.5 right there. I like that. That gives me confidence in this buy model that I have the right pull anyways. And now we have these failure swings up here. I like that. So that was Friday. This big candle manipulation down was at the end of Friday. When was that? That was... Okay, that was in the 6 a.m. candle on Friday. So it looks like Friday got something like a New York reversal. 10 a.m. pop back up. 10 a.m. reversal. So coming into Monday now, we have a slight open low. Took out the previous 4-hour candle from Friday. I like that. Maybe we get a really aggressive reversal here. I don't know. Or maybe we get a consolidation. We'll have to see. What was I going to do? We're on the 4-hour right now. We also, of course, have to be mindful that we are in this bearish fair value gap on the 4-hour. So I'm going to mark that out. Previous day high, previous day low, previous EQ. Am I missing anything? I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I add in to GXT. I have a couple things that I do that I think are somewhat unique that I add in as confluence. Right now I'm pulling up the session volume profile, which just shows me where the previous point of control, where the volume was on the previous day. So I marked that out. This is where most of the volume was on the previous day, Friday. So I'll keep that there. Sometimes we see reactions from that area where the most volume was in the market on the previous day. That would make sense, actually, where it is to me. That would make sense because that's the area where there was an injection to sweep this major liquidity. There was an injection of volume there. So that could be a key area. All right. Okay, so here's our open low. Open low on market open right here. I'm not going to trade Asia. I don't plan on trading Asia, but just being mindful of what it's doing. Let's see the correlated asset. I'm curious if there was an SMT at the low here to create this move up. Oh, Stupe's in the house. Good. What's up, brother? I have silver on the right, I believe. Silver on the right. Oh man, thanks for showing up. Glad you're here. Stupe ran the charts in our last back test. Absolutely crushed it. So we're lucky to have him here to participate. Do we have an SMT on this low from the previous day? I don't see that there was anything on gold euro. That's not really good. I don't see a PSP either for all you PSP people out there. Yeah, I don't see anything as far as SMT. Is there a way I approach GC because it moves pretty early? You're right. It moves in Asia a lot. It's pretty frustrating sometimes. I don't really. The only thing I can say that I do is that I show up to the charts around. I show up to the charts in late Asia, so sometimes I can actually catch that reversal. I see gold giving a reversal a lot of times between 9:30 and 11 p.m. That's during Asia. So sometimes I'm actually at the chart to catch it. That's about it. But yeah, gold, I just like, the reason I like gold a lot is because I feel like you have a better chance of catching the move throughout the day. It moves more evenly in the day than indices do. Is there even an SMT with these lows over here at all? Probably something really subtle. Okay, yeah, there's that. There's this right here. I'm a micro SMT hunter. I always look for these sneaky little SMTs. I really like gold euro as a correlated asset. I like it more than silver, which is kind of new to me. I just started using it recently, but some traders that I like use it as well, and that's kind of, they tip me off on it, and yeah, I can definitely see why. I feel like it's more correlated than silver is most of the time. Okay, so do we have if this is going to be a reversal, do we have any place to reverse from here? We have the previous day POC. I don't really see a fair value gap other than this one that we're in right now, the hourly fair value gap. Perhaps silver creates an SMT at the low here. All right, so we're still just in Asia right now, so let's move forward. Maybe let's move forward on the hourly. Gold GBP. I have gold and GBP. I don't think that works, man. I've never heard that before. Okay, I'm going to play forward a little bit.
Looking at this price action right now, I wouldn't look for long.
You would not?
No.
Why do you think this
because you are on Thursday right now by the looks of it.
I'm on Monday. I'm coming into Monday. This would
okay, because when you are moving the chart was showing that it's Thursday, so yeah, sorry, my bad.
It's all right. Yeah. This is the big manipulation down was Friday. We got this little reversal here on the end of Friday, and then this is Monday. Okay. Yeah, so possibly you didn't see the high time frame, but
no, I didn't see the daily.
I really like this. I really like this buy model here. That's kind of why I'm looking for a reversal.
Yeah.
That's really clean looking.
Can I see the daily chart?
I don't want to go back to the daily because you know what's going to happen.
Okay, yeah, it's going to mess up with the...
Yeah.
No, that's okay. I'm going to talk on the next one.
Okay.
I will see this one out.
Yeah.
But yeah, for me, it looks like shorts.
The daily candle closed back within this range. It closed back above
Okay.
all these lows, right? So that's another reason why it's like a valid
Yeah.
reversal candle on the daily.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see. You're gonna see me. If you thought you were slow, I'm even slower. Okay, look at that. It swept out the hourly low, and look at that. It's also 10 a.m. Just like I said, gold loves to do these moves at 10. Um, interesting, interesting. Okay, so there was like a little. That was nice. That was actually nice. Maybe I should have been looking at that on lower time frame. That was really nice move right there. Um, gosh, there's not really anything to target locally. If I were to get involved in longs, I might look at this as a possible SMR. So, we have a possible low risk buy. Oh, so Kronos, you got to mute your mic, mate. Um, Possible low risk buy type thing. We have a consolidation, possible first stage accumulation off of this 4-hour fair value gap. That's what it looks like. So let's see. Where are we right now? We are at 2155. I'm going to turn on Statmap. Okay, so we actually hit the daily manipulation level. We tapped the daily manipulation level right there, and also the 4-hour manipulation level. That was nice. I should have gone to low time frame to look at that before I went forward, because that was actually something that could have been a trade. I'll leave that on. Damn. That's golden Asia right there. Where are we right now timing wise? I'm going to mark out London open so I don't. It's right here. And maybe I'll move on the 15-minute for now. At this point, I guess I'd want to see something solid that I could long from. Okay. I have this 1 hour. That was nice. And we have this 1 hour fair value gap here. That looks good. Do we have any SMT here? Oh, we actually did. Did we? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We had. Well, with silver, we did.
You've got the synthesis at the highs, by the look of it.
Yeah. With silver, yeah. There's a bearish SMT on silver. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I might want to look closer at what's going on here in this fair value gap. We also opened low on the daily. There was a nice little open low on the 1800. And a sweep of a 4-hour candle. Okay. We're coming up into London pretty soon. I would like to see a bullish SMT if we're gonna get involved here, somewhere around here in this fair value gap. Interesting, interesting. We got a change in state now, and that is technically an SMT. That's a little SMT right there with gold euro. I might take this. Where is it? We're at 1 o'clock. What do you think, Stupe? You watching? Any thoughts on this?
Is that New York time that is showing 12:21?
No, this is just before London, 1 p.m. Just before London.
I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
I would wait for London to open.
You'd wait for London? Okay.
Yeah. So around, I don't know, maybe 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, that's New York time.
Yeah. Let me turn down your mic a little bit. One sec. How do I do that? Okay.
Yeah, so sorry if I'm answering so slow. I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I haven't eaten anything. So like now I'm eating while I'm watching you as well.
Oh, it's all good, mate. It's all good. You prefer 230 onwards. I like to say that, but like I said with gold, man, it doesn't feel as focused on those key timings to me at all. I watch gold a lot and I see a lot of moves from 11, 12, 1, like it's not as key timing oriented to me. I don't put too much weight on that. If I see what I want, I'll take it at pretty much any time. Okay, but I could definitely see this being a sort of a fake change in state for yet one more manipulation down in London. That could certainly be the case. Okay. That looks pretty good. You're in love with time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had another reaction.
I'll give that a go. I'm gonna mark it. I'm actually gonna do the paper trade on this. Let's see. So it'll be here. Here. I'm gonna put my stop here. Okay. Let's see what that market order, and how come it's not showing up? Huh. Buy. I don't know why it's not showing me the order. Oh, there we go. Okay, why is the stop only $21? I don't know what's going on with that. Let me add more.
No, it's weird on TradingView on paper trades. I believe you're gonna have to, for you to make some real money on this one, you're gonna have to open like 500 contracts, if I'm not wrong.
I think it might have to do with the leverage, whatever leverage they have set. Perhaps you can you can change the leverage now. I think that might be a new feature. And I didn't even look at what I put for leverage. I don't know. That's just my guess. How do I get those lines off the chart? Weird. Doesn't normally have these lines.
You can't. You just can move them to the right or to the left, you know?
Huh. Usually those
You're gonna stay over there.
Okay. All right, let's see what happens here. We are at 130 right now. Okay. Did we have an S? Oh, here we go. There was this SMT here. I'm going to mark that out so I have it on the chart. There was this SMT right there. Yeah, now there's this SMT up here at the high. That's going to take me out. That was not there when I entered, of course. Boom. And we're out. So what time is it now? Just before London Open. So that was Frankfurt. That was our... This is our 2 a.m. So waiting for the 2 a.m. OHLC wouldn't have been a bad idea, actually. Even just waiting.
Yeah, but if you think in terms of trades, it actually works because you are in 1 hour fair value gap and it took the high. So basically the trade was valid until to the highs, you know. It didn't give it to R.
Yeah.
Basically, if you would go into like, I don't know, maybe 3 minutes or 1 minute, probably you would cut to R to the highs.
Yep, and I've been, like I said, I've been trying to refine my entries more, so that would have been a good idea. I kind of got to it a little bit late. Let me see. Why isn't it letting me do that? Okay. It's not letting me change the time frame. Data point unavailable. So I can't go lower time frame than this. On the backtest, I guess. It's not going to give me that previous data. Okay. So
okay. Might be because the future contract.
Okay, so it looks like we have a relevant swing. I could see taking this out, and then reversing from here. That looks valid for if we're in this buy model as it appears to me right now. Let's see if we can confirm that 2 a.m. wick. Okay. Okay, now it's getting interesting. What do you think? Are we at London yet? Yeah, we're at London opened. So this would be a nice London reversal right here, perhaps. Could be confirming the 2 a.m. wick. So up here. Any thoughts, Stupe?
Looking at the price right now, to be honest, I wouldn't long.
You wouldn't long? Yeah.
No, you're coming from 4 hour fair value gap right now.
Yeah.
And you've had the market structure and it's quite close below, you know. But London just opened. So it might just want to go back to the highs and take it down before it's going to go down. Maybe play one more.
One more candle? It didn't do much. Where's our Asia? Where's our Asia low? Here's our Asia low right here. I would say if I were to call out like an IFC, that's kind of tricky. Could be a lot of different highs in here. IFC would be like the last push that swept this major liquidity here. It might even be up there. It's tough to say. If we are bearish from this fair value gap, then then that would be assuming that this is maybe the smart money reversal for the downside, perhaps, but because we do have that SMT up here. Let's see. Okay. Glad we did not get involved there. Good call. What's going on over here? You use SMTs depending on quarters? I do look at it once in a while, but I don't have it on my charts at all times. I do keep the quarters down there, but I don't like require quarterly SMT personally. I do observe it, but it's just not like a rule for me at this point. So I don't see an SMT here yet as far as bullish goes. Oh yeah, okay, there's an SMT right there. Let's see if this holds. See if that Asia low holds. Did we take it out over here? Is this the Asia low? Yeah, that's the Asia low on gold euro. So that wasn't taken over there either. We have a change in state right here. 5 minute, this would be the 4 o'clock candle. Okay, interesting. Silver's getting a nice move. Oh, wow. Okay, I wish I was in that. Damn. I probably would have taken this, honestly. If I was live trading, I probably would have taken this change in state somewhere around here. Damn. Gold open is at 820. It doesn't always have like a big reaction or anything like that, but sometimes around 8 you'll see something on gold for sure. Okay, we are at 7 o'clock.
That is a nice move.
Yeah.
This is the price action I would like to trade, this one.
You'd like to get the short? You would like the short?
Yeah. Looking at the price action, how it's booming.
There was an SMT right here.
Yeah, and you had the markets shifting as well on gold.
We also came into the bearish manipulation level right there. So I don't have enough conviction that we're bearish to be looking for the short so much, but that's where you're better at
Well,
reacting.
It's only Monday anyways.
Yeah,
And price looks like Friday had made a lot of big run. So at this point, probably Monday is just gonna consolidate. I'm still inclined towards bearish bias.
Look at that. Is this 8 o'clock? No, not quite. Damn. Oof. Oh, mate. Shoot. Yeah, I mean this is looking like a buy model, no doubt. It's consolidation right here. Now we're moving up. Now we're hitting the 2 to 2.5. So perhaps we get a reversal or retracement from here. I can take this off because I know we've already smacked it as far as Statmap goes. You know, maybe if we're lucky or something, we could get something off of here. Doubtful. Timing wise, okay, we're at 8:30 now. I really hope 8 o'clock does something here. Okay, 9 o'clock. Okay. Good, good, good. Manipulate the highs, manipulate the lows. Okay. Oh, shoot. I hope I didn't. Okay. So that is really, really big change in state, but previous day high is right there. Unfortunately, it's not going to give a good risk to reward at all.
You can put your entry at the order block, but I believe it's going to retest it again. I mean, you're doing market now, probably because you're doing markets order. Yeah, makes sense.
I could try a limit.
I would use a limit on this.
Let's do it. That's still a pretty big stop. Let's see. This thing is so weird.
No, I'm not using inversion fair value gap. It's probably you can mark the inversion fair value gap and put your stop loss right below that one, and it's gonna give you a better R.
You mean put it here?
Yeah.
I never do that, mate. I'm not even gonna do it because I never do that. I don't know why it's not putting the order down. Okay, so let me just see if we get it. I can't go any lower, unfortunately. So let's see what happens. I'll try to get it in market if it gives us a chance. Okay, so we'd be in. I guess I'll buy. What would be the stop loss here? It's a little bit big, but you can rock with it. Let me put the TP up here. I did not draw out the levels on these, so if they already hit, I wouldn't know. Let's see. Oh, damn. Yeah, they took previous day high quite a while ago. That's not good. I don't know why it's doing that. This is not looking fantastic, is it? As far as expanding.
Yeah, that doesn't really look like. That's the problem or being on slower time frame, because you can't see what is happening on the higher time frame right now. Because if you change the time frame, it's gonna disruptive
Right.
price actions.
Right. Curious what this does. I'm trying out this fractal model indicator, which has totally got us going in the wrong direction. Did it register the change in state? Yeah, it did. Yeah, so we got the change in state in candle 3, but it does not seem like it wants to hold. Huh. I'm tempted to break even here. We're so close to previous day high. I don't like that it's coming back already. Okay, so
Let's trade on
there we go.
what is going to happen.
Let me turn these on. That'll be helpful. Okay, so we have this. Oh, it didn't close. That's the 4 hour. This is the 1 hour. Probably going to manipulate these lows. Oops. I can wait for another change in state here if I want to get back in. I'm going to break even and see if we can get another change. Take that one off. We have this.
Can you add like 5 candles on daily?
Yeah. Let's do that. So we respected the wick.
Yeah, but it looks like that one behaves like as an order block right now. It just came inside those white candles, and right now it's just moving lower. I'm wondering where that one came from on a daily. Yeah, those 2 candles. Can you see? I'm wondering where those ones came from. If those ones came from a important level right now, that's gonna act as an order block, which that means it's gonna hold and it's gonna send the price lower.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, we can't really tell. So it would probably be. How many days ago was that? It was just 1 day ago. So probably.
You are still inside.
I think that's this right here. It's this. That's your order block. Yeah. Which is actually kind of an IFC. Because it swept this liquidity here. I don't think it's too relevant, but it may give us a pullback. You see what I mean?
Yeah, but we are still inside Friday candle right now.
Okay, why did it do that? Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Just don't press anything. Just wait.
Oh no. It just closed.
This stream has been cricket noise. That's okay.
Did it put me back? No, it didn't.
We cannot see your chart. The stream has ended.
Okay. What happened? 1 second. I think it booted me out. Why does it keep doing this? Keeps disconnecting on me. TradingView. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna see if it's open on one of my other devices, which is probably why it's doing this. 1 moment. Yeah, that's why it was open on my other computer. Okay. All right. Now we should be good. Unfortunately, I think we lost that. Did we? Yeah. Yeah. And here's those limit orders. Okay. I'll go back and try to find it. So right there. I think it was October 20. Let's see, we'll go a little bit forward. Okay, we're somewhere in here. We got pretty close. Wow, did I actually get the exact candle? I did. Crazy. All right, nice. Probably not the exact time though, so. Yeah, just got to play forward a little bit. Okay. Oh, I think that's okay. That was where. Okay, we were coming up to that IFC before. That's what we were looking at. And we are approaching previous day high. All right.
Yeah, so you need to play like a few more candles now.
Yeah. Okay, right off of that. Let's see here. This is the hour. Hourly swept right there. That was nice. 10 o'clock candle. We're still in the 10 o'clock. We just actually this. Okay, this is the 10 o'clock opening now. Okay, good. Okay, very good. Oh gosh, it's not gonna let me in, right? Sucks. If I didn't close at break even, I think I'd still be in good shape right now, actually.
I believe we already seen this price action because you had the limits entry on that 5 minutes candle.
No, it was here. That was
and then
that was
the
down
next
here.
one it went high and then it came back lower. You already seen this price action.
Oh really? Let's see.
And right now it's gonna go below that order block.
Oh, that's right. Because I was okay. I do remember that. I would like to sweep out this hourly and then go. It'd be nice. Just right there. There's that. Now let's see if we can get it out for this IFEG. Ooh, ooh, ooh. One more candle.
If you didn't take this trade, you could quit this trade. You could quit trading.
What do you mean? Oh, dodgy, dodgy. Okay, come on. There it is. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to mark it into this. All right, perfect. Let's go. Okay, fair. Did I put my TP? No, I didn't. Okay, reverse off this little swing, please. Wow. Gold, euro. Okay, so we have an SMT here. Wait, dude, we're in the next day now.
Really?
Yeah. I didn't realize what time it was. Jesus. Yep. So it just consolidated after 10 o'clock. That sucks. Damn. I wanted longs since down here. I wanted longs since this Asia move right here. I just did not take these change in states. That sucks. Okay, yeah, now we're in the new day.
It's okay. You're still inside that Friday candle.
I don't like this accumulation, that's for sure. I feel like it's going to come for the stop before it goes. This is horrible. Yeah, that's horrible. What time are we at here? Okay, so yeah, look at that. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock Asia. Not surprised. Let's go for previous day high. There's the daily candles. So yeah, still inside the Friday candle.
Yeah.
Um,
Watch Monday right now. Maybe when it takes Monday out, just move to break even.
Monday high. Yeah. 100%. Yeah, I just want that previous day high. That's all we need.
That's the Friday previous day high. The one that you got TP right now.
Oh, that's the Friday. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I see the Monday's right there. That's right. The Monday's right
Yeah.
there. Yeah. Did it take? No. Go. If I move to break even now, it's going to get taken out. It's definitely going to get taken out. But I think I got a chance to make it there at the same time. But that's okay. Get a better entry. So close. So close. Oh, you bastard. Ah, you
Yeah.
bastard.
It's creating some sort of trend line.
Let me get this mess off the screen. I'm going to put the 15-minute up there too.
Yeah, as I said, I wouldn't have that many things on my chart.
Yeah, I know.
I'm trading with 2 lines.
Yeah.
Because I have to show things. If I don't have to show, I don't have anything.
Yeah. Get all this stuff off. So this I'm seeing this as a consolidation essentially. I looking at this, I would guess that we sweep out this low now. These equal lows.
In terms of price action right now, thinking that gold just took previous day high and we are still inside of Friday candle.
Yes.
How would you expect Monday low to go?
Really?
This is what I would expect right now.
Yeah.
And if you look at the price action on dailies, pretty much the same, showing the same so far. Because none of that the assets took previous day high, like Friday low.
Previous day low, previous day high. Gold euro was a lot stronger yesterday. Yeah, I mean, I don't like what happened with gold euro, for sure. We have a bit. I'm pretty sure we have a big bearish SMT here. Where is it? Okay, maybe we don't. Oh, it's right. We have a bearish SMT right there. Nice. Well, this lines up with what I'm thinking, as far as maybe sweeping out this low and continuing this buy model. I'd like to think that we haven't reached the top yet. I don't have, unfortunately, I can't see fair value gaps on like the 4 hour, 1 hour. But I would assume there's something down here.
You can see if you add more candles to those indicators that are showing you the higher time frames.
Yeah, let me try that. That'll give us a better idea what we're working with. Oops. Okay. This hourly below all these lows is really nice. Is that, oh, the 4 hour? Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so that's, what the hell is that? Kind of weird. But I guess it's right here. Essentially, yeah. That lines up with the Statmap level for today very nicely. And daily open is right here. Oh yeah, this looks good. Like it's. So we did an open low, came above daily open in London. Okay, so maybe a New York reversal, possibly. This would be a delayed protraction profile if we get it. Would also be seek and destroy, which is a continuation signature, for what it's worth. I should keep those assets open just in case one of them do it and gold doesn't. Nah, come on. Stop playing. Look at gold euro.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
It took previous day low? No, it didn't.
Oh no, it definitely didn't. But it did create this SMT right here. And we're at 5 o'clock.
See, still early for me right now. But that's 5 o'clock. I don't know. That's 5 o'clock in London.
Yeah, 5 p.m. London.
Okay.
Okay, that's going to create a bearish SMT if it holds. I would really want to see these lows swept on gold into that 4-hour fair value gap.
On hourly charts, looks like you've price tapped into an order block on gold. That candle, yeah, came into, was 2 black candles on the left.
These over here?
Yeah. Yeah, it was one more to the left as well.
I got you. I got you. Right. Yeah. Yeah, that was just this right here. Which is failure swings. But that is that an SMT? Of course it is. Yeah. So this was actually.
You can't see if we have any news in it.
I can actually. I think this works. That was a nice SMT right there. So that, yeah, that Asia reversal was actually quite good. Let's see if this works. Yeah, it does. So we are at November 2nd. No news. No news. Tuesday. Yeah. Is it really blurry on your screen, by the way? Is
just a bit, yeah.
It is, yeah.
Are you streaming on YouTube as well?
Oh yeah, it is. I don't think it's gonna be better on YouTube though, because I'm just streaming the Discord. So if the Discord is blurry, it's also gonna be blurry.
Yeah.
It's just the way I'm doing it. I haven't figured out a better way. All right. So off for work. Yeah, it's recorded. So we swept those highs, did not close above them. I really, really want to see these lows swept. Think we'll get it. The session is over and you lost paper money in bar replay. What the hell is this? I've never seen this before. Why did it do that right now?
I don't know, because the trades
Don't tell me
actually
it's
wasn't.
gonna kick me out.
Looks like it's gonna crash.
Oh my god, it just booted me out. I don't know what the hell that was. Bruh. Such a pain in the neck. Okay. Damn, do you remember the date? I want to say it was November 2nd. I think it was November 2nd. Is the music coming through on the stream too?
No.
No, it's not? Okay.
I cannot hear any music.
Okay. Okay. I think this is, where are we right now? Okay, yeah, this is pretty much where we left off. Get silver out of the way here. All right, so we still have this 4-hour fair value gap intact.
One-hour time frame shows willingness to go higher.
Why are the labels not on that so I can see which time frame it is? Huh. It's not showing that for some reason. And it's not showing the labels. Oh, there they are. Okay, they're just super far away. All right, so that's the 1 hour right here.
I believe you can bring them lower.
Yeah. Padding, space.
It's
labels.
like somewhere on the text. Tiny interval, small, maybe
Label
lower.
positions,
No,
both. You can pick top or bottom, but you can't pick follow candles. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
It's this option right here. Nice. Okay, cool. Thank you. So there's a bearish SMT right here. And we are around 6 o'clock. I wouldn't trade that, would you? Would you short that?
No, I wouldn't short from here now.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
It's too early anyway, 6 o'clock in the morning. Probably I would wait for London to open and see what's gonna bring us.
Well, we're in overnight session now. We're right before New York.
Oh, so London already passed?
Yeah. This was London right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that was London. That was the. Right now we have an Asia low of day so far,
Okay.
and a pretty tight freaking range on this day so far. Yeah, it looks like it just wants to sweep this out, 100%. Okay, there's a bullish SMT right here. No. There we go. That's what we want to see. Bam, there it is. 8 o'clock. Perfecto. So would you have a limit order on now? Right here?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that. I'm really clunky on this because I have to use the trackpad on my laptop. I don't have a mouse that works with this laptop because of the connection. So it's like it's so annoying to do this on a trackpad for me. Okay. Was there an SMT? Yeah, I see it right here. Yeah. Cool. Let's see if we get it. We're so close to previous day high. Oh, snap. Okay, so
right now you would have your entry in.
Yeah, 820. That's gold market open right there. And oh my God. No way.
Yeah, I'm not surprised about gold.
See, this is look at that. That's nasty. There's a little SMT there too. So this is a two-stage. This is absolutely a two-stage. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It's got the rooftop formation. This is horrible. No, oh my God. Yeah, that's definitely not a reversal signature right there. Well, it actually kind of was. The first candle was, but after that, it definitely wasn't. That's nasty.
Yeah, look at hourly price. It's just I wouldn't trade this one. It's just struggling to go everywhere.
Yeah. This is a disgusting day. It's seek and destroy 100%. But that is a continuation. When we sweep the lows and seek and destroy and close above, then we should be good to go. We swept out both sides. So
Looks like in 4 hours we just touched right now the down close candle.
Oh, right here. Yep. Good eye. Good eye. Yeah. That's when these guys say like, oh, you hit your high time frame key level, you get your change in state, you're good to go, man. Get your SMT. It's just not that simple.
Nah,
It's
it
not.
never is.
It's not. And there's yet another SMT here.
But who can trade Teach? That's the thing.
What's that?
The guys that cannot trade Teach.
Right. Yeah. Right. Exactly. And there's our dodgy entry right here.
Look what my indicator did.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be it. Oh my god. That is so disgusting on gold euro.
Yeah, I would still wait for a few more candles right now. Maybe to break that the recent high on hourly. So right now.
One more. Okay, now we're retesting the. Okay. This is so disgusting.
It just weaked or it closed above? I can't really see.
It closed above. It like barely. Barely.
Yeah, so those signs that wants to go higher from here.
Yeah.
But he can sweep again, and it's just it's left equal highs over there right now.
Oh, definitely. On gold euro, yeah. But this is disgusting. Like you don't want to long away from this.
No.
You know, not on gold euro anyways. On this it at least swept all the lows out. This is horrible. Maybe I'll
I would just keep out and take the trade right now.
You would take it?
I know that it's no.
No.
I know that it looks like wants to go higher, but I would just keep for now.
Yeah.
One more sweep.
It's at midnight already, or it's at 12 o'clock, I should say. Midnight.
XT just joined.
Oh, hey. Hey, what's up, mate? Welcome.
Yeah, maybe go to next day because right now it's nothing to trade.
Yeah. Look at gold euro. Holy cow. This is horrible. What is going on?
As long as we are still inside that Friday candle, nothing is gonna happen. Needs to sweep either the lows or the highs or the lows for us to look for a trade.
Right.
On a daily, I mean, inside Friday candle.
Yeah.
So either it's gonna sweep the high or the low, so we can look for trades after. Until then, I don't think.
I'd still like to think this is just a big reaccumulation in this buy model to go higher. But that is just disgusting. Like, is there anything else to reverse from? If I wouldn't want to come all the way down here. I would not want to do that. I definitely want to reverse from like, I wouldn't want to break these reaccumulations if I am bullish. So, but I definitely would like to see go on the other hand, gold euro should take previous day low, right? Create an SMT here. Yeah. So, all right. this up. Okay, here's the next day. Okay, nice. I like that.
Okay, previous day low in Euro Gold.
Did it hit it? Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
That's perfect. So nice.
So right now we've got the SMT at the
Yeah,
lows.
yeah. Okay. And we hit the manipulation level. Very, very nice. Very nice. All right, let's see. What time is it? Okay. This is 8:30. Asia. Dodgy's already in.
Oh my god.
Come on.
He just took a loss.
It took. Oh man. All right, maybe my whole.
This is how I would expect an inversion fair value gap to hold.
My bullish thesis is pretty much out the window at this point. Yeah. That is not what I want to see if that's a buy model. That was disgusting. Oh my god.
Yeah, I would say let's wait for the previous day candle, see what that's gonna do. Not previous day, sorry. It looks like it's Tuesday candle.
We are on Tuesday. Oh no, this is still in Asia.
Yeah, we're
so
on Wednesday.
We're coming into Wednesday. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So let me see, where is that? Okay, so that was previous day low from Tuesday right there. And this is the Monday low.
Tuesday low.
Monday low.
No, Monday low. Oh
Yeah?
yeah.
Yeah. And so PDI. All right. 4 to 4.5. Nice. I mean, yeah. I don't.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna give a sweep to that and then it's gonna reverse. That's the most likely scenario right now.
I definitely like this area for gold euro. I mean, that's the biggest IFC ever. Right there. So let's see.
Still early, so.
All right, so we know we hit the manipulation level. We don't need that anymore. I mean, this is a great open low.
And looks like we
Yeah,
took
we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Right now, very nice.
Nice. We're in Asia still. Yep, we're at 11:10. 11:10. Very good. Very good. Would you go for it right here?
I'm not trading Asia, so probably no. I'll still be in London looking for something maybe. But it looks like if that those down close candles should hold right now the price if we would like to reverse.
Yeah.
So it should reverse here. Or maybe just one more sweep, but yeah, I would expect to reverse from here.
I think so. Where's the crazy Asia aggressive gold pump?
Are there any news coming for this day?
Good question. Good question. Just move this. 8:15, 8:15, and then 10 o'clock, and then FOMC at 2.
Okay. So now I understand why this mess around.
Right.
The FOMC.
Right. Hmm. Let's get a nice two-stage or low time frame SMT here. Nope.
Oh, so we are in London right now, no?
Yeah, we're in London now. Yeah.
Oh, that's awful.
There's a little SMT right there. Tiny. I think. That's not what we want to see on the hourly. Definitely not a reversal signature here. I think we just got a bearish SMT. Yeah. Where's midnight open? To use that. So we came below midnight open. We came below true London open. That's a premium discount time-based technique that I usually use. That is a good sign for longs, that we did come below that, but consolidation, definitely not a reversal signature. Definitely not. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Where are we at now? So let's say the low of day is in, and we swept out the hourly here. 4-hour C2. Where are we at right now? Now we're in 6 a.m. 6 a.m. open low. It's quite nice, actually. That was a possible trade, to be honest. That was... could have gotten in there. Was there an SMT? There was an SMT. Okay, that was nice. That was nice. The price action is not really very convincing, but other than that, it was. I think that was good. Coming up to news at 8:15, which is okay. Damn. Right here. Now, if the low is in, news might just pump. Here we go.
Still, we've got FOMC coming, so I'm not going to expect pretty much nothing in London, especially on gold.
Okay, nice. Wow. Wow, look at gold euro. Consolidation, manipulate the highs, manipulate the lows. Okay, not a reversal signature. Now we know why. Yeah, it's just bearish. Like, it's not bullish. It's not. I don't. Actually, the Statmap narrative is. I don't have any reason. Yeah, I don't have any reason to be bearish based on this, but
exactly what I was expecting. Just price was choppy. It swept Monday high and then just reversed. But
right.
Yeah, I did not even want to trade in this price action right now.
Right. Yep, it did. All right, it looks like we're going to come for this previous day low. And maybe we make an SMT here with gold euro.
Still, FOMC is going to be the king.
Yeah.
So if I expect like 2 stages, probably it's just gonna give something like very small in terms of the first ones, and then the next one just should pump back to the highs. Right now, if you look, we just got out of that Friday candle.
Oh yeah.
So if we want to see price going higher, it should go from here.
Yeah. And hopefully that SMT holds if that's the case. Pretty damn close to it right now. Let's mark out where that's going to be. It's not until 2. So we've got a while. That is one hell of a dump. Damn. I mean, this is a ridiculous daily candle at this point.
Oh yeah.
actually want to just see real quick. Okay. Even on New York Midnight setting, it didn't really change the narrative. We're past the distribution level, so this is like a statistical outlier as far as how far it's moving in one day.
Obviously, you cannot go on a daily right now, but let's see what 2 o'clock is gonna give. You know.
Yeah.
I don't believe we're gonna go lower than this. I believe we're just gonna sweep again the lows, and then we're just gonna pump higher from here. That's the best thing I can see right now on the market happening.
Yeah.
And the whole reason is that Friday candle. We failed to sweep the highs, so we just fell back to the lows, and right now should go back to the highs.
Yeah. So, you mean we failed to close above the Monday high? Is that what you mean?
Monday is supposed to go to the Friday high, you know, as an example, and then Tuesday maybe to go higher and higher if you want to retrace from there.
I gotcha.
But definitely it wouldn't be a sweep to Monday and then going lower, you know.
Right. Yeah.
But right now, because we took Friday low, I believe that we're gonna go higher from here. Which FOMC.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Did we put in SMT? Yes, we did.
So we swept that low, well, pretty much.
Yeah.
As I was expecting.
Yeah. SMT right here, as of right now.
We still have one more stage right now.
You mean the one at 2:30?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I believe next one should actually pump it back.
Yeah.
I might be wrong. Can go back to premium and then, but I wouldn't expect, to be honest, price travel too much. Yeah, gold being gold, going to the lows before it's gonna go. To the week before it's gonna go higher.
So okay, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, so in this case, I would say you can put the trade on this one right now. Just in case if you want to wait for the next news to come, you can wait.
Next news.
But I do believe. Yeah, 2:30.
I think it did. Yeah, we're past it now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so from now on, it's gonna go to the highs. It's gonna be even Friday high now.
This is horrible as far as RR goes right now.
Yeah. But you can target Friday high if you want. You're safe to do so now. You've got all that liquidity to target right now.
Yeah.
Friday does one over there.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
This one? Oh, way up here. I see. This one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
So that's gonna give you like maybe 3R or something like that.
Yeah.
Obviously, probably it's not gonna go.
That seems
today.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah. Where's our daily open? It should be like right here in the middle of this, basically. Should be right around here. So that's not even 2R. Try to get here. Yeah, that's almost 2R. Try to get there. That.
Oh, it's just me and you again.
Yeah. We had a couple stragglers come through. I don't know if anyone's watching on YouTube. Can't see it. Can I see it? 1 sec. I'm going to check. Yeah, no one's on YouTube. All right. There would have been a better entry right there.
Yeah, on order limit.
And you would expect that to hold, right?
Like from here, yeah, I would expect to go higher from here.
See, oh, it didn't. It didn't hold. I always.
What
That's
what, what do you mean like it didn't hold?
the
My limit entry like now would be in the order block at the bottom.
this
So
order
that's the one.
block.
No,
This one.
that's the one. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. I see. I see. I thought you
So
meant this one.
no.
Yeah.
That's a bit high.
Well, I don't like that. Why is that candle so weird? Oh, this is the next day. We're already in the freaking next day. So FOMC didn't do anything, really.
But to be fair, IM just traveled a lot.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So probably that's why FOMC hasn't done anything. But he swept the lows. He gave the signs of reversal from here.
Yeah.
And right now, even if Asia is going to come, it should go higher. It should pump.
Yeah. Yeah. I just don't like
At least
this.
to the order block, you know, to that daily order block. But the price just look weird right now.
Okay, where's that?
The daily order block?
Yeah, I see it. I see it right here.
Yeah. So at least that one should go, you know.
Yeah. Where's that Asia pump? We're actually okay.
Right now we are on. We just went into the new candle. No. Oh, we are midnight right now. We just entered midnight.
Yep. Yep.
If you look at price action right now, obviously it is past. You would be okay to put your stop loss on break even. At 6 o'clock when that candle opened and just went higher. Over there, yeah. Yeah, see it went higher and then it just came back, retested that breaker block. That's the one, yeah.
Yep.
So see it went higher.
Yeah.
And the price was just sitting below that order, yeah, over there.
Right.
So it would be safe for you to put your stop loss so that you don't have any loss in this. But right now the price already came, you know, so it's a bit too late.
Yeah. I think we're okay.
Yeah, just leave it where it was. It's fine.
Yeah, I think we're okay.
A bit higher it was.
Oh yeah, where was it? Oh, it was right here.
Cool.
Wow, gold euro's got it. Gold really does not. That's crazy. Look at gold euro, dude.
Yeah.
This is where it's really frustrating, like not being able to trade the right asset.
It's because that one didn't take the Friday low.
Gold,
so that's
euro,
the one that's used.
Gold euro didn't take it?
No, he didn't. He just created S&T. Oh, no, he did.
Yeah, it did.
Okay.
Yeah, it did.
I thought that it didn't.
Yeah, it did. Beautiful. Nice. So if I were getting in on this on a fresh day, there was an entry right here. There's a London entry. Actually, you should have put another entry on. Right there. That was good. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really nice.
But can you go to gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there would be my entry as well. If I would have to trade.
Yeah.
Something like that it would be.
Yeah, that would be nice. Really nice entry. Delayed delivery from the previous day. So what are we working with on the daily?
We're still in London, so let's see what New York is gonna bring.
8:30 right here. We're at 8:30 actually, and we're on
Thursday.
Thursday. So
Yeah.
no red
No.
folder. No red folder today. It's already expanded a lot. A lot. Damn. This is the type of day, by the way, where Statmap. Well, actually, this is where we would put. Where's Asia? Okay. Market open was here. Asia pumped. So this is when you put Statmap on New York midnight. Look at that. See what I mean?
Yeah.
If Asia here, this was daily open. So if Asia pumps, you turn on the New York midnight setting and look for the manipulation there. That was beautiful. That was the right entry. Yeah, so I wouldn't be getting in again here on this day. But yeah, I absolutely missed that. That's stupid. Stupid miss right there. Okay. Garrett always says 9:30 has no relevance to gold. Damn. Are you strictly 2R usually?
No.
Okay.
I'm targeting liquidity.
Oh, are you really? Okay.
I believe my best trades was in backtest was 16R.
God damn.
But was just melted gold.
Yeah.
Just melted. Touch my entry and it just gone.
Wow.
I believe I've got a screenshot of that. I will send you after this.
Did I? Where was our TP? I think was here, right? This was. I think our TP was like here.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah. And I believe it's gonna go for after Friday right now. Where we are right now, looks like Friday is gonna be taken.
Absolutely. That was this ridiculous pump. Holy cow.
Okay, so 4 hours just gave the retracement right now.
9:30. Oh no, we're at midnight. Not midnight, but
midnight.
Yeah, midnight. Yep. Yeah, I wouldn't be too eager to long again up here. Even though that Friday high is right there, just because we took those.
It's a bit late right now for trade.
Yeah. All right. Do you want to hop on? Do you want to run a session?
I'm not at the computer right now. I'm on my phone.
Oh, okay. All right.
Everything is off in the office.
I gotcha. All right, let's go to the hourly and move forward to the next day. Clean this up. All right. Gold euros almost reached the high here. Oops. This is the Friday high? Or no, it's right here. Yeah, that's right. It's right there.
I believe it's higher.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
it's
good.
higher. A bit lower.
Huh.
A bit lower. I believe
It's right here.
it's
Yeah, I
not
got
there
it.
yet.
There it is, yeah. All right. Okay. That is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, there's an SMT. We're in Asia. Yeah, there's an SMT right there. And we came into this 4-hour fair value gap right here. There's no wick on that candle. Oh, there is on the 1 hour. Okay. Okay. Would you get involved right here?
Is that Asia?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I will still go to London. No, because I'm not trading Asia. It's I believe it's 2 o'clock in the morning in London.
Yeah. Just based on the setup, I guess. Like.
If it was in London, yeah, probably, yeah.
Yeah.
If the setup was in London, probably, yeah. Depending
Yeah.
what this 1 hour candle is going to close right now. If it's going to close exactly how it is, then I would expect a retracement into that breaker block and then just go higher.
Yeah. Nope.
Yeah, it's good. Exactly what I was expecting. And
Oh,
right
I
now
see.
from
I
here,
see. I see. I see. This one. Okay.
yeah. Then if you look, we've got the 5 minutes breaker as well. So if that one should hold, it should send it from here, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty tempting.
So it's like midnight is going to come, right?
Pretty tempting. Close enough. Let's give it a go. Oh, jeez. Okay. Coming up to London Open right now. There it is. Fantastic.
You didn't put your take profit.
Yeah. Oh shoot. Gold euro took it, took previous day high. Probably break even here. I don't like that. You see that?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's not
but it's
good.
still not our final target.
What's that? No, it's not, but you know, the fact that we're
Yeah.
yeah, I don't trust that. There's an SMT here, but yeah, I don't like that.
I'm curious if the stop loss would be safe in this.
I don't think it's gonna go from right here. Especially since we haven't hit Statmap low here. Yeah, we'd be out if we stayed in that trade.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god.
Is that New York news? Is that a Friday candle?
Yeah, Friday 8:30. Okay, so 8:30 manipulates.
Both sides.
Yeah. That should be good to go, but
Yeah, you need to wait for more candles right now.
yeah.
We've got nothing here. Oh no, actually the white one closes back in.
Back into that 4-hour fair value gap. PDQ.
Yep, and from here, bye.
Would you get in somewhere, like would you have a limit on that breaker on this down close candle right there maybe?
I need to see the wicks of the candle at the bottom.
Like that?
Yeah, something like that. Let me see. I believe so, yes.
Yeah.
We've got a small fair value gap over there. Yeah, I would.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, damn.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the reason why I wanted to see the low of the candles, I just wanted to see if it's been swept. At least one or two candles,
I see. Yeah.
Over there, yeah. Because if none of them would be swept, I wouldn't enter.
Yeah, the
I would just wait.
there it goes.
Yeah, that was a nice tour.
Yeah. All right.
And I'm guessing we can close the session here.
Yeah. I'm not gonna. Well, Yeah, and gold euro took that high as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, I think I might call it a day there.
Yeah. Probably
Yeah.
would be the best option right now.
Yeah. All right. Are you trading tomorrow?
What's tomorrow is Monday.
Yeah.
Friday. What Friday did?
Actually, yeah. I'll pull up
Is
the
it
chart.
yes? Is it? We've got non-farm payroll on Friday, so we can look for trades tomorrow.
I did a little markup at the beginning of the stream. Let me pull it back up. Okay. That was Friday. All the way down. Yeah, so we were talking about how we were bearish.
Yep.
Yeah. To this low, right?
So that's the level that I'm expecting right now.
Yeah.
So we took previous Monday high, and right now we're just reversing to the lows. And previous month, sorry, not Monday, sorry, previous month. And previous month was an inside candle. So we should, at least in one of the assets, either if it's gold or euro, gold or silver, should take the low out.
Right.
It has been swept on this one, no?
Yeah, it swept on gold. Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why I said the other day, I believe when it was on Friday,
Yeah.
before market close, that I would look for 3120, if I'm not wrong. That's the low.
Yeah, I remember. Gold euro already took it. Previous month's low. Interesting.
Yeah, but gold euro did SMT at the highs.
Yeah, it did. It did.
So maybe would like to go to that lower that you are marking right now inside of that fair value gap.
Yeah.
And silver right now is not doing anything. I mean, it tried to go to the highs, but it just failed.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Jesus.
Mm-hmm. But gold's, I believe I would expect something like by the end of the year to go at 2,800 by the end of the year.
Wow.
Yeah, no, sorry. I meant higher. I believe it's 3,800.
Oh, 3,800. Okay.
Yeah. We're not far off.
Yeah. All right.
And in terms of coming back lower, we don't really have that any reason why we should. But obviously, gold is gold.
Yeah, just sweep this out.
Yep, and go to that.
Yeah.
And this is the view I've got right now. Obviously, it's going to probably change on a weekly basis, depending how price is playing.
Yeah. Is there anything over here? Just this like order block, which we've already tagged really. That's weird. It's where there's like nothing obvious. Like just sweeping this low is the only unless we're gonna make some huge pullback. Just sweeping that low.
I don't expect a pullback because we don't have any market structure shift so far. It's just consolidating on a
right. Yeah.
On that, even on daily, we are just consolidating.
Yeah.
If you drag the range out, yeah. If you put your range indicator.
Range indicator.
Yeah. So I don't know, something with a line in the middle.
Statmap.
No, that's not gonna do it. Not indicator. Sorry, the tool.
Oh, okay, like a premium discount?
Yeah, premium discount. Yeah.
I mean,
So
like,
from that to the no to the previous low, you've got a lower low right now. That's the one.
I got you.
As you
Yeah.
can see, when the price came on discount, it's supposed to go back to the highs right now, but it just failed. So
Yeah.
that right now in this scenario makes sense for the price to come to sweep that low before it's going to go higher, and we are still inside that order block.
Yep.
Those three down
Just a
close candles.
consolidation. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're consolidating on this one. So I would expect the
Yeah.
price come sweep the liquidity and then go back higher.
Yeah. And this, oh, that's not till over here. This low is that low on gold euro.
For the
Right there. Go low.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Which that's if it's gonna go like that, it's gonna create a SMT over there, which is gonna
Yeah.
show us willingness that wants to go higher. Which that would be a nice price action over there.
What's my markup? Yeah. So if we're bearish,
To be honest, I expect tomorrow on gold to go lower.
just straight up dump.
Not straight up. It's gonna consolidate a bit and then go lower.
Yeah.
What I would expect.
Yeah, I hope we
At least go back to the premium, you know.
Yeah, I hope we get some kind of open high. This would be ideal.
Yeah.
Ideal
Yeah,
would be
open
from
high.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something like from here. I doubt it'll go that high, but
And it should go above 50%, like in a premium of the previous day, you know.
Yeah, that fair value gap is perfect. Good. Hopefully. Previous day would be down here. But yeah.
Yeah, again, it's the same scenario as yesterday. As you can see, we've just had a small, a shallow run on the lows.
Up here? You mean?
At the bottom. No, on the lows, at the bottom, on Friday. Yeah, over there. See how this came just like a couple of points and then it just retraced?
Yes.
At the bottom. Yeah, over there. It's just a few points and then just retrace. That's a shallow run, which is creating the equal lows right now.
Yeah.
Exactly the scenario that we had yesterday in Nasdaq that we just reversed.
Yeah.
Back to the highs.
Yeah, I see. Cool. Yeah, maybe that'll be the high of week. That'd be nice.
Yeah. But tomorrow is tradable anyway.
Yeah.
I believe we've got news as well.
Yeah, what's the calendar looking like? Let's see. Do we get it yet?
I didn't check.
Oh, it didn't change yet.
Didn't check.
Didn't change. Can I show it? Let me see if I can show it. No, I don't have that window shared. I can't show it. Okay.
Maybe you can go to FX replay. Hold on, I believe I've got it on my phone.
I've got the screen share locked into TradingView, so I don't.
No, that's alright. I'm looking right now. We've got Euro news, which you are not interested.
Oh yeah, nothing on Monday.
No, nothing yet. Just Euro red folders and Japanese yen.
Tuesday we got PAL, and Tuesday we got 10 a.m. Jolts. Did you know there's if you go to what is it? You know Forex Factory? Is that what you use for news?
Yeah.
Did you know on the left side there's like these a section you can click metals, energy, and crypto and Forex? Have you ever seen that before?
No.
Yeah, and it actually shows special energy, special news for energy and metals, which I never noticed before. I'll put it on the chart so you can see what I mean. I'll paste it. Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, over on the left.
Okay, so you can choose one of these to show you.
Yeah, yeah. It actually shows some stuff that you're not going to see on the regular Forex calendar that most of us use. It shows a few extra things that are more
Yep.
like specific to the to whatever it is you're looking at.
Nice.
Yeah.
They did something good finally.
All right, mate. Thanks for
Okay.
hanging out. Thanks for being here. And Effects Hunter. Oh, what's up, bud? I think that's Effects Hunter.
All
Yeah.
Yep.
good.
Hey, man. How's it going?
Good, good, good.
Yeah. Um,
What
thanks.
about you?
Yeah, good, mate. Good. We're just finishing up the back test.
Oh,
Yeah, wrapping it up. But yeah, thanks for popping in, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll see you tomorrow in the chats.
Cool.
All right.
See you
okay.
tomorrow.
Good night. Bye bye
Take
now.
care. Good night.
See
Bye.
you.
Hmm.